I've got a song at the end of this video. It's pretty amazing. You guys are going to hear it, and this is some clips from this song. Somebody in the group made it, and I want you guys to hear a few of the clips because it's pretty cool. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to thank everybody for smashing that like button. Try to get a like spike going. Please hit that like button. Leave a comment in the comment box. Let me know what number like you are. This helps me with the YouTube algorithms, helps me grow the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'm going to keep you up to date daily with everything crypto, TA, news, anything pertinent to help you be more successful in this space. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Green day, overall market cap of cryptocurrency, $188 billion. Bitcoin is at about 6750. This is a Bitcoin 3-day chart, and I think this is important to kind of zoom out and look at the big picture. So this downtrend right here, we ran up, Bitcoin ran up to 14,000, and obviously over time we just kind of gave back a lot of the gains here for Bitcoin. Ran down to 3,800, we bounced here. Now, just setting up the idea that here we are at this upper trend line of this falling wedge. A breakout here, we could see 9,800. I mean, next stop would probably be 7,800 or 8,000. However, this is a critical level for this price to break out above. There's a lot of overhead resistance. You got the 200 SMA on the 3-day chart. You've got this previous resistance and support back here that's now resistance at this level. And you've got the upper trend line of this multi-month downtrend, this falling wedge. Okay, so there's a lot of overhead resistance here. Now, you had an oversold bounce, you had a huge V-shaped recovery, right? So pretty epic gains recently for Bitcoin. However, it's decision time, critical point to pay attention to. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And what I want you to notice here, again, decision time, like probably coming in the next day. Futures, Bitcoin CME futures end tomorrow, all about to happen right here. You know, Bitcoin's trying to push higher. The concern is the bulls need to show up to break through this overhead resistance. You know, a lot of these indicators had been cooling off, and the concern on the as far as the bearish case goes would be that this divergence back here, that you had bearish divergence, it didn't really play out. You had it on quite a few of the indicators, actually MACD, histogram, RSI. So this means there's underlying weakness in the strength of the move. Now, potentially we could be, if Bitcoin doesn't break out to the upside here and drag these indicators higher, we could be setting up for another bearish divergence. So it comes down to this. If Bitcoin bulls can't show up and push higher, you're obviously going to get a significant pullback based on the idea that this bearish divergence plays out. So again, a break to the downside here would mean a rejection of this overhead resistance. You know, then it's, you know, there's some downside ahead. So again, the bulls need to show up. There's the CME gap that's up here as well that needs to be filled. Overhead resistance up here around 7,800, 8,000. That would be kind of the next level to watch. 7,400, then 8,000. So I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, working together, posting charts. I got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading this market at all, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Probably a lot of people have some time right now on their hands, potentially. It's a great time to learn to trade this market. Number one reason people join the group is they want to be in the best coins possible. I post profitable trading setups on a daily basis, and we've been just killing it lately. It's wow. Data, 266% gains out of data. Again, this setup was posted on the 14th. It's a huge pump for data. If you want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months, you get 20% off. You pay for the year, you get 30% off and an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, you can do so. There's a Patreon link in the description. You guys got to remember, the group is cheap. It's not designed to be expensive. It pays for itself in a couple trades. This is Dash. I talked to you guys about this the other day. Dash up 65% after it broke out of this falling wedge. 30 minutes later, boom, 26% gains in IOST. Bitcoin Cash has been another one. So the cool part about the trading group is everybody's working together. This person said, hey, shout out to Big Easy for this trade. I doubled my money in this trade setup that you posted. Another person posted an ADA chart, and Dylan said, ADA's made me $10,000 so far. Next person said, CBC, I'm up $29,000 this week because of you and your group. Amazing setups. Thank you for all you do. Now, this is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and you can see this price action has been a bunch of chop right here. I don't like trading this stuff. This is a bunch of chop. So the altcoins were amazing trades today. Like, we had an amazing day trading these altcoins. It was ridiculous. You guys noticed? I mean, XRP pumped, I think it was up 10% at one point. I'm like, man, this is a leading indicator. What is it leading to? What is it? It's hinting to a move somewhere. What do the XRP bulls know that everybody else doesn't? You know, BNB pumped as well. We're going to talk about that in a second. Maybe it's because it's government free money check time. 3 weeks. The panic situation. United States government is sending out free money to most Americans. This person stated, I see the stimulus package also includes $5.89 in XRP for each American, because XRP shot up to the upside. And I'm looking for news on this, and this is what I could find. Maybe you guys have another idea or story behind the XRP move. I mean, I can show you a technical reason where it broke out of, a falling wedge. So these 9 exchanges listed Solo token on XRP Ledger built marketplace, Sologenic. So this is an ecosystem built on top of the XRP ledger, facilitating exchange between crypto and non-blockchain assets. This is scheduled for second quarter or third quarter launch this year. They're going to release Solo cards as well as a Sologenic decentralized exchange and a securities trading platform. So they aim to connect global financial markets with crypto. Users are going to be able to tokenize and trade over 40,000 assets on demand, such as stocks, ETFs, and commodities, and securely trade against them with any crypto asset. So pretty cool idea. Excited to see how this plays out. We're on the United States. We're on the top of this list, this panic list. Here we are, number 1. Not a good sign. Now, you guys, have you seen this? Like, we got to decipher what's going on here. I'm not really a big mainstream news guy, but I'm telling you what, like, what's going on here? 21 million Chinese cell phone users disappear in 3 months of this panic situation. Where did they go? I'm just curious. You guys, somebody give me a good conspiracy theory where all these Chinese folks went to, because it's a mystery. Did you guys see the NULS pump? I got this notification about this bizarre activity. It ran from 2,200 Satoshis up to above 3,000. So about a 50% price gain quickly. So NULS is going to bridge Bitcoin and Ethereum with a new network. Anytime you're bridging anything in crypto, like that's a weakness. You know, these cryptos need to be able to communicate. So NULS did that. Now, what's interesting is the jobless claims. The chart looks a lot like NULS. Like, you can see this run up here, huge run up in jobless claims. 3.28 million, quadruple the prior record. Quadruple. Well, I mean, it's hard to go to work when you can't leave your house. You know, most people, like when the government makes you stay home, there's some places you're not even allowed to leave your house, literally, in the United States. So there's definitely, you know, just know that my thoughts and prayers go out to anybody that's been affected by this directly. This is something serious. We need to take it serious, but this too shall pass. Everything's going to be okay. We'll get back to normal. It's just going to take some time. This too shall pass. Yeah, so trading today in the trading group, top 3 coins on Binance, top 3 gainers, Data, Metal, EDO. I got all the setups. Like, we killed it today. And I want to show you guys why this happens. Why do these altcoins move like this? What's happening? What's a good indicator to see when this market's going to, the altcoin market's going to move like this? And I talked to you about this yesterday, actually. So this chart is basically showing, like, we're looking for an altcoin season. And altcoin seasons, when Bitcoin dominance moves down, and it went up here and it got rejected by the 200 SMA and this resistance level. So when Bitcoin dominance got rejected just a little bit, these altcoins, everything was just popping, it seemed like. It was crazy. It was such a good day for these altcoins. Now, to be fair, there are smaller cap, mid cap altcoins, not the larger cap altcoins. So again, keep an eye on this Bitcoin dominance chart. When Bitcoin dominance drops, gets rejected here, if we see a big drop in Bitcoin dominance, these altcoins are ready to run. A lot of them are trying to bottom now, so be ready. Altcoin season, mini altcoin season could be in front of us soon. So there was 120 million USDT minted at Tether Treasury. I was like, 120 million. What happened here? But then this gentleman stated this is an inventory replenish. So all the exchanges need more inventory. They need to have more Tether because they keep running out of Tether. Where's all this Tether going? USDT balances on exchanges blast past all-time high. Is it because everybody's going to jump into Tether if the market moves lower? Or is it because everybody's about to jump into crypto because Bitcoin's about to blast off? There's a major move that's going to be happening. Again, CME futures close tomorrow. Now exchanges hold over 1.2 billion USDT. This is more than ever before. Exchanges have been stockpiling USDT in expectation for a surge in demand. Who bought the LSK BTC dip? Look at this LSK. This is LSK. And someone was like, what's LSK? And I was like, well, it's been around since 2016. Who bought this dip? Man, it dropped 50% and then immediately got bought back up. Like, this doesn't mean LSK Flash Crash, right? This has something to do with the exchanges, the order books, lack of liquidity, a lot of things. This doesn't mean anything negative about the project. It just means like something went haywire with the exchange. This is the Bitcoin halving. The next Bitcoin halving is estimated to take place in less than 50 days. Get ready for the long run. And so this is the stock to flow model. And you can see one more leg up and we've got a long run coming. Ready. Bull run ready. Moon boots on. Check. Let's get these bulls to show up. I just want to give Risto in my group a shout out because he put this together. Pretty cool. Let's listen to, I'm just going to play some snippets of it.
This is a 1,000-piece puzzle that we're trying to put together. You know, slowly over time, you're adding pieces to this puzzle. You have to kind of be patient with yourself and realistic. To think that you're going to come into this market and just start taking money away from people that have been doing this for a living for, you know, 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Why are we here right now today? You want to change our lives forever. You want to get by, you want to make it in this market. That's what you have to ask yourself. We're trading against the elite right now. Do I just want to be like everybody else? Or do I want to excel? Do I want to take this and run with it? Do I want to change my life and everybody around me? Do I want to spend time with the people I know and love? That's what you have to ask yourself.
Watching these markets all day today, listening to that, I just want to share little snippets with you guys. So pretty amazing. Spend your crypto. Binance is going to launch Bitcoin and BNB based debit card. BNB pumped on this idea. So no longer are you going to have to sell your crypto to pay your bills. With Binance card, you can keep hodling. You can make a payment with it. Users are going to be able to fund the card with Bitcoin or BNB through a new application called Binance Card app. I use a BitPay card, you know, and I love it. You know, being able to kind of load Bitcoin on a card and go swipe it and load up on whatever you need at Walmart. You know, there's huge. It's all about spend and replenish. Like in order for this to be a currency, we have to spend it, right? You can put some fiat in, buy more. Yeah, it's going to cost you a few percentage points, but like for this space to take off, spend and replenish. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.